guys here. Good day. And my self-reflection is one of the most significant realization is hard is not my value can challenge depending on the situation before believe that right and wrong were simple, but the scores that are not moral decision are more complex. I realize that I need to take this appear and consider how my action affect other people, not just myself. The challenge, the ethical framework that challenged me the most is utilitarianism. It made me realize that sometimes doing what is the best for the majority can negatively affect a few people. This challenge my thinking because I used to believe that as long as many people benefit, it is always right. But now I understand that every decision was consequence and we must careful consider fairness and the impact on everyone. The application. In my daily life, I will apply what we learn by thinking carefully before making decision in school. I will practice honest and fairness, especially in my class and interaction with others in my personal life. I will I will be more understand the respectful, considering how my action affect other people in my future. Will ask this ethical principle to guide my decision so I can become not only successful but I also a responsible and moral person. Mrs. Burns, my instructor. Good day, sir. Thank you for Sir Bargayo. Thank you for guiding us throughout this course and helping us understand ethics in deeper way. This subject has challenged how I think and make decisions in life. I will cry this lesson will me as I continue my journey. Thank you for your patience and for inspiring us to become better individual. Thank you, sir.